Yesterday had to be one of the most chaotic days for businesses that run Meta ads in the past year or so. If you don't know by now, yesterday Meta ads completely broke. By around 1 a.m., most ad accounts out there had spent 90 to 95% of their entire budget, obviously at a major loss. I mean, as you see right here, there's a lot of people still talking about it. It's actually resolved now, which is great. Meta did resolve it, but it was really weird, right? And I mean, it definitely made a lot of people question the validity of Meta ads as a whole, especially for businesses, let's say, that are spending 100K a day and they just basically lost it all. I mean, some of our clients lost thousands yesterday. We personally lost a lot of money as well. Our challenge store lost a lot of money. I mean, this really affected everybody. So if there's one good thing that's coming out of this is that we're all coming together to just hate on Meta because of this reason. But as you see on my screen, right, like really what happened here was an ad delivery issue. For whatever reason, there was a bug that just allowed Meta to spend an entire day's budget in a few hours. Now, some of you may have already experienced things of that nature. Let's say if you start ads at like 11 p.m., sometimes it does spend the whole budget before midnight. It's rare that that happens though, but this was at a, massive level. I haven't really seen anything like it really in a long time. And people are pissed. Like I said, I mean, it's just like kind of annoying how you could spend so much money on a platform and, this platform makes so much money, yet there's still so many little issues like this. The one good thing about this, in my opinion, is that it definitely will get rid of a lot of competition when it comes to Meta because, again, the more people are afraid to run ads on Meta, the cheaper the costs get. It's really that simple. Personally, I'm not too afraid. Right now, everything's back on track, to be honest with you, and we're seeing great results already. But yeah, yesterday was a chaotic day. So if you were pausing your campaigns already because of this, I would say turn them back on now. You can definitely turn them back on and feel safe again. And I would definitely recommend for you to not keep your ads off for too long because that's kind of the thing about Meta. Unfortunately, it's like Meta ads are kind of a hamster wheel. If you don't know by now, you got to stay on it in order to continue to grow your business and see results, which is one of the big reasons why I try to encourage you guys to pursue other avenues of making revenue for your business outside of Meta, while still keeping a nice foundation through Meta of growth. But your foundation really shouldn't be set on any ad platform, right? That's why it's good to grow your email list, do things of that nature, right? Grow your community because that can't really be taken away. Whereas your Meta ad account could get banned, Meta could, have more issues like this in the future, and it definitely makes your business feel unsafe. So what you should do now is just go back to business as normal, but just keep this in the back of your head a little bit. Start growing your email list, start doing some additional things than just running Meta ads. It's so easy to get comfortable with Meta. And I mean, it's a great skill to have though. Personally, I don't think Meta's going anywhere. I think they're only going to continue to get better personally. That's why it's one of the skills that I've chosen to more or less master. And that's what we provide for clients at Akemi, because I just know that it's a skill that will continue to provide massive value for businesses. And yeah, I mean, that's really all it is. Hopefully, this video was informative to you. I just really wanted to make a quick video about it, talk a little bit on what exactly happened, see if any of you were affected. Hopefully, maybe this makes you feel a little better to know that there's, million-dollar brands out there that lost thousands, if not hundreds of thousands yesterday. So pretty awful news, but the good news is that it's fixed now and we're all in this together. So yeah, that's really about it for this one. See you in the next video. Peace.